Meteorological winter, which is December through February, is over, and it was one of the hottest and coldest on record. So how is that possible? Well, on average across the lower 48, it was the second warmest winter on record, and this is because in most of the West, it was the warmest ever. And this map showing the average temperature departures from the 20th century average really gives you a sense of how extraordinary that warmth really was. And here's a truly crazy stat. Denver, Colorado had more days over 60 degrees Fahrenheit than Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And now that we're in the East, you can see that it wasn't hot everywhere. In fact, much of the Northeast actually saw unusually cold temperatures, with the region ranking in the coldest third of its historical record. So why is this? Well, a few major Arctic air outbreaks related to the polar vortex sent frigid air pouring into the eastern US this winter, and that kind of cold snap is still totally possible in a warming world. And because much of that cold was concentrated in the Northeast corridor, the most densely populated part of the country, it made the season feel more evenly split between hot and cold than it really was. But the larger trend couldn't be clearer. Winters are getting warmer, and they're warming faster than any other season. Over the last 50 years, winter in the lower 48 has warmed nearly 4 degrees Fahrenheit. And that trend, unfortunately, is predicted to continue in the decades ahead. Anyways, let me know what you think about all this in the comments, and if you've noticed any changes where you live in winter.